Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I've got February Glossybox. I know it's a bit late, but I couldn't film it earlier on. So the box looks like this. It's really pretty. And that's what's inside the box. So there's like 8 products, but you don't get all of them. So let's have a look what I've got. I already had a look at this, and I was hoping to get the Skin Chemist, the Aqua Repair Facial Serum, but I didn't get it. So anyway, so we have got first Ciate Mini. The full size is £9, the mini size is £6. So that's like, this is a red, and it's the color Mistress. Next we've got Steve Laurent. This is Nude Pop Lip Tint. Okay, like that, and that's the color. Next we have got this mascara, and it's Icona Milano. I've got one exactly the same that we received. I think it was in another Glossybox, so that's the same. I don't like it very much, so I'm not gonna be using it again, but I might put it in a giveaway to see, because I don't like it but someone else might do. Next we have got the Studio 10 Makeup Glow Plexion. So this says that it primes, refreshes and hydrates the skin, but it can also be used as a setting spray. So let's see if we can see the mist. That's quite nice. So this retails £26, but this is a mini size, so it's £14, this one. The mascara I forgot to say, but it's a full size and it retails at £15. And lip tint retails at £17 and it's a full size too. And then last we have got Sleek Makeup High Divine eyeshadow palette, and this one is Storm. Okay, so you've got a little paper with all the colors, and it's like this. So that's it, that was the full box. Besides that, you could get, as I said, Skin Chemist London 24 hours Aqua Repair Facial Serum, which retails at £64. We could also get the Holution High Love Cream, which I think I've got one, I'm not sure. And then the Rodial Glamolash Mascara, full size, retails at £24. I think I've got one too, I'm not sure, but I think these two I've got it, and this one I definitely have. So that was the full box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be doing March box when it comes out, and we will also be doing a giveaway on that video, so don't forget to watch the next video when the box comes out, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.